Welcome to Hexagon Geospatial e-training, easily unlocking and utilizing geodatabases. In this video, we will explore the new FGDB connection capabilities in GeoMedia 2014 and see a demonstration on how to establish the FGDB connection to use the data in a GeoWorkspace. Shapefiles have traditionally been used as an easy method for data exchange. In the past, this format worked very well, but as we all know, data continues to increase in size and complexity and is surpassing the inherent limitations of shapefiles. The File Geodatabase Format, or FGDB, provides an alternative data format option that is becoming a better choice for data transfer. Let's look at the difference between the capabilities of shapefile and FGDB data. In this slide, we can see the difference between the two data types. Shapefiles have an inherent size limitation of 2 GB. FGDB has a much larger size capability, up to 1 TB, making it better for today's larger datasets. With the release of GeoMedia 2014, FGDB is also supported as a read-write connection within GeoMedia, making editing and updating data quick and easy. FGDB also supports multiple feature editing and supports a full range of geometries. GeoMedia is a complete GIS and provides a rich environment for accessing, manipulating, and editing multiple data sources. The data server technology within GeoMedia provides connectivity to many types of feature data warehouses needed in project execution. With GeoMedia 2014, we can now also access FGDB data as read-only or with read-write capabilities. Here you can see an example of different warehouses connected to GeoMedia. Notice the highlighted FGDB data server supplying an FGDB warehouse to the GeoMedia GeoWorkspace. The FGDB data server option has been added to the new connections list within GeoMedia. Not only does this option provide the ability to read the data, but it also allows transactional write capabilities to edit attributes and geometry. You can also create new geometry with the same attribution as existing geometry. Now let's open GeoMedia and see what this looks like inside the software. With GeoMedia open, we start by opening the Manage Data tab. From this tab, we're able to view and manage our warehouse connections. From the Warehouses group, we can select Warehouse, New Warehouse Connections. This opens the New Connections dialog box. From here, we're able to define the new connection. You can see that in this case, the connection type is already set to File Geodatabase Read-Write, which is exactly what I want. I'll change the connection name to Chester County, Pennsylvania. Then I can use the Browse button to find the data. I simply click on the data and click OK. And I can click OK to the New Connections dialog box. If I want to, I can view the connections that I've made by going to Warehouse, Warehouse Connections. Here I can see any connections that I have made. For now, I'll close the dialog box. At this point, I can go to the Home tab and use my Legend tool to load any feature classes or queries that I'd like to see in the map window. This GeoWorkspace has 2 map windows loaded, one with point data and one with linear data. The Legend shows the feature classes and queries that were selected and loaded into the map window. Most of the Legend in this case is showing queries, checking for errors in metadata standards. The number in parentheses indicates how many instances meet that query, indicating the feature attributes need to be corrected. For now, I'll minimize the linear data map window and work first with the point data. To edit the metadata, we'll load the query into a data window. From the Home tab, we can select Add Show Windows, New Data Window. This dialog is asking for the feature class we would like to load in the data window. I'll select this one to find the cases where the street type is contained in the street name attribute. I'll resize the windows so we can see the changes in the data window and the immediate update in the Legend. Notice that there are currently 175 features in this query that need to be corrected. In the data window, I can scroll the attributes and find the street name attribute. This first instance contains the suffix VIA for viaduct. In the data window, I can select the attribute and make the change. The change is written directly to the FGDB data, and updates are displayed in the map window. Notice that the number in the legend has reduced by 1. I can continue making edits until all the data is corrected. In the interest of time, we'll stop here. From this demo, it's easy to see that working directly with the FGDB data can significantly reduce the time needed to perform data updates. All data conversion from the shapefile to FGDB has been eliminated, saving hours and in some cases, days worth of time. Thank you for watching this e-training module from Hexagon Geospatial. For more e-training, visit hexagongeospatial.com/etraining.